In this lecture, I will give you instructions to install Postman. Postman is a RESTful client or much more than that, but we are going to use it throughout the course to test our microservices RESTful API. To install Postman, launch your web browser and search for Postman. Enter Postman and click on the very first link which says Postman, a complete API development environment. It is a API development environment, but we will be using it only for testing our microservices. Depending on the operating system, click on the appropriate button. For Windows, you have two versions, 32-bit and 64-bit. Same for Linux. For Mac, it will be a DMG file. For Windows, it will be a exe. Once downloaded and installed, to launch Postman, click on the icon which is similar to this here in orange. Click on it and that will launch the Postman, which we can use to test our RESTful API. It supports all the HTTP methods starting from get, post, put, patch, etc. You select a method, type in the URL. You can add headers, add JSON body, and even authorize, use basic authentication, etc., which we will be doing throughout the course.